In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward a message in Microsoft Teams. This is a simple yet powerful feature that can help streamline your communication by sharing important information quickly with the right team member or group. Whether it's a message with key updates, project notes, or simply a piece of information that's too valuable to keep to yourself, forwarding messages will undoubtedly become a useful tool in keeping your workflow smooth. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to sign in to your Microsoft Teams account. Make sure you have the latest version of the application installed on your device to ensure all features are up to date and accessible. If your organization uses Teams, you probably already have it set up with your company email, so use those login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your Teams dashboard where all your conversations, channels, and teams are organized. Next, navigate to the chat or channel where the message you wish to forward is located. Scroll through your messages until you find the specific message you need. It could be part of a recent conversation or something from a while back. Teams makes it super easy to search for specific messages using keywords, so don't hesitate to use the search function if necessary. Once you've located the message, hover your cursor over it. You should see a small menu icon which looks like 3 horizontal dots, also known as the More Options menu. This icon will appear on the right side of the message. Go ahead and click on it. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Among these, you'll see the Forward option listed. Click on Forward to proceed. Upon clicking Forward, a new window or prompt will appear where you can specify the recipient of the message. This is where you'll need to type in the name of the colleague or the team channel you wish to forward the message to. As you start typing, Teams will automatically suggest potential matches from your contacts or team members you frequently communicate with, which makes finding the right recipient much quicker. Once you've selected the correct recipient or channel, the final step is to simply click the Forward button. This action will send the message to the designated recipient, allowing you to effortlessly share information with the right people, and that's it, a straightforward yet efficient way to keep everyone on the same page by using the forwarding feature in Microsoft Teams. With these steps, you can ensure that important messages are quickly and accurately shared, enhancing your team's collaboration and communication efforts. Keep this in mind as you continue using Microsoft Teams to stay connected and informed. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.